All right, today we're putting an AI tool called LELAIL through a pretty intense real-world test. The mission? We're going to see if it can create a super complex, totally professional quote for a skilled tradesperson. And here's the kicker. It has to do it, like, instantly. So let's see if this thing can actually walk the walk. Okay, so let's set the scene. Picture this. You've got a Polish plumber, an expert in their field, working in London. They've just been to see a potential client in Wimbledon about a complete bathroom renovation. Now, this is a complicated job. The client wants a quote like yesterday, and every single minute our plumber spends tapping away on a laptop is a minute they're not earning money on the tools. You can just feel the pressure mounting, right? And we are not talking about some back-of-the-napkin estimate here. No way. This quote needs to be bilingual. It has to perfectly follow specific UK building and electrical codes. It needs a super detailed breakdown of every single material and all the labor costs. And it has to include all the proper professional guarantees. I mean, each one of these things on its own is a headache that could take a ton of time and know-how to get right. So that's the challenge, isn't it? How on earth do you create a document with this much detail, this much professionalism, when you're already swamped with work? So what do you think? How long should a job like this take a busy tradesperson? An hour? Maybe a few hours? Half a day if you want to get it perfect? 10 seconds. You heard me right. Not 10 minutes, 10 seconds. That's the claim. The AI apparently generated this entire complex professional document from start to finish in the time it took me to say that sentence. It's kind of hard to wrap your head around, honestly. So what is this magic? It's an AI tool called LELAIL, and it's built for exactly this. It's designed to just demolish these kinds of soul-crushing administrative tasks, giving experts the perfect documents they need, right at the exact moment they need them. Okay, but let's be real. Speed is totally useless if the final product is garbage. So what did LELAIL actually cook up in those 10 seconds? Let's pop the hood and really take a look at the anatomy of this AI quote. Now, this is what I find so cool. Look at the level of detail here. The AI didn't just guess the numbers, it used up-to-date London trade pricing from real-world suppliers like Wolseley and City Plumbing. It calculated the labor based on a realistic London rate of 50 quid an hour. And it even added the standard VAT to give a final, spot-on, professional total. And it gets better. It also generated a totally professional 4-stage payment schedule. This is huge. It's the kind of thing that protects both the client and the plumber because it ties the payments to really clear project milestones. This builds trust right from the get-go. And look at this. The quote automatically included the proper terms for £5 million of public liability insurance and even a 5-year guarantee on the workmanship. I mean, this is the boring but absolutely critical legal stuff that takes ages to draft correctly, and it was just there, instantly. And this brings us back to that bilingual requirement, which is just so clever. So the client gets a perfect, polished, professional quote in English. But at the exact same time, our plumber gets the same document, but it's sprinkled with helpful notes and clarifications in his native Polish. This makes sure absolutely nothing gets lost in translation. So yeah, this one example is incredibly impressive, but it's just one plumber in London. To really get what's going on here, we have to zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the broader impact of this kind of instant expertise. Well, get this. This system supports over 100 languages. 100! Just let that sink in for a second. That means this isn't just a local solution for one guy. This is a global tool. It can empower skilled tradespeople and professionals absolutely anywhere, whether they're working at home or as an immigrant professional in a brand new country. And it all comes back to the company's core mission, which is no one left behind. You see, the whole point is to level the playing field. By instantly taking care of all the complex paperwork and smashing through language barriers, the tech makes sure that a person's real hands-on skill isn't being held back by administrative stuff they were never trained to do. So really, what we've just seen isn't just about a faster way to make a quote. It's a signpost. It's pointing towards a massive shift in what it even means to be an expert in the future. So I'll just leave you with this thought to chew on. What happens when every single skilled expert, every plumber, every electrician, every consultant, every creator, what happens when they all have an instant AI copilot in their pocket? A copilot that handles all the complex stuff, freeing them up to just focus on what they truly do best. The potential there, it's just absolutely transformative.